What's up, everyone? So in today's show, we're going to be frying up hot pickled tomatoes by Jersey Pickles. We'll also be frying up some of the pickles that's in there as well. If you haven't tried these, highly recommend them. That's just the right amount of heat, has a nice little crunch to them. Very delicious. But today we're going to fry them up with ACC seasoned breading, lemon pepper flavor. This is really good breading. And we're also going to try the Slap Ya Mama Cajun fish fry. Just add a little bit more kick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the tomatoes in slices. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry half with this and half with this. Alright, let's get started. Alright, it's just meat, and so I'm only going to cut up a couple of these. I'm telling you, man, these are so good. And don't waste that pickle juice or the tomato juice. It is really delicious. I usually have about a drink every 2 or 3 days with that tomato juice. Yeah, there you go. So I got the tomato cut up. I got some pickles out. So I'm just going to do is I'm just going to pat it dry. Again, it's just me eating, so I don't need a whole lot. I'm telling you, these will also go great on sandwiches, barbecues, or just a plain old snack. Real simple recipe. Sometimes it's nice just keeping it simple. So I'll throw some pickles and tomatoes in one. This is Slap Your Mama. Feels weird saying that, I'm not gonna lie. Just shake it up. And then in the ACC breading, I'll throw the rest. I got the oil at 350 degrees. Actually 370, I'm sorry, 370 degrees. Just like that. Again, real simple. All right, we're gonna take these out. We're gonna get them on the grease. All right, let's get them in the fryer. Again, you don't want to overcook these. It only takes a couple minutes. All right. There you go. While we wait for them to cook. Very crunchy. Just the right amount of heat. And if you don't like hot stuff, they sell regular tomatoes too. Pickled tomatoes. Highly recommend them. Alright, they're done. So there you have it. These are the ACC flavored, and this is the Slap Your Mama flavor. I do a lot of catch and cook videos. I'm telling you, these will go excellent with fish. Still very crunchy. I can taste that lemon pepper flavored, which is actually really good. I'm kind of surprised. It goes really good with the Jersey hot pickled tomatoes. Man, that's really good. This is just plain ranch. Let's try Slap Your Mama. That's really good too. I'm gonna try the tomato now. That was the pickle. Still really crunchy. I like that. That is really good. I think this might be a little bit better. That's not bad. This is pretty dang good. I mean, you guys can try whatever you want. I just want to share with you guys what I use. I mean, this right here is really good. Let me try slap your mama again. That's so weird to say that. Not bad either. But I think this is a little bit better. You can get these at jerseypickles.com. If you don't like hot pickled tomatoes, they got regular ones. They got all kinds of stuff. Hot olives, pickles, all kinds of stuff. So go to jerseypickles.com. There you have it. I got this at a bait store down in Okeechobee, but I'm sure you can get this online. And I got that at Publix. That is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.